By default, the color scheme or the color of the window frame for your Office 2010 programs, well, like up here in the title bar, the ribbon, the line coming down, also the status bar down below, by default it should be silver. I changed mine to blue, but if you want to go ahead and change it to blue or black, those are the three choices that you have. Just come up here, click on the File tab, go down to Options, and by default the General tab selected. Just come over here and click on the Color Schemes drop-down arrow and choose your color. Those are the three choices there. I'm going to choose silver, click OK, and there you go. The window frame is back to silver. Well, the ribbon, the line coming down, and the status bar here. Now what you do in one program, any of the Office programs, when it comes to changing the color schemes, it'll update all the others. So if I go ahead and open up Excel right now, you can see that Excel has the color scheme of silver. So if I come in Excel and I change it back to blue, click on the File tab, go down to Options. Again, the General tab's already selected by default, color scheme to blue. Click OK. Excel's back to blue. Let me close out of here, and PowerPoint, the color scheme is now back to blue as well.